So, want to know how a closed mobile shop built a massive digital empire? Let's dive in.
Look at this, 1.25 crore in sales. The craziest part? It literally came from just one single review video. This whole journey started back in 2020, when a physical shop was forced to close during the lockdown. Here's our roadmap today: choosing platforms, building funnels, playing the value game, and the 3 C's of success.
Okay, let's dive into this. To actually monetize, you must solve real problems. Customers build brands, not just followers.
Platforms matter. TikTok grabs attention fast with 3-second hooks. But Meta? That's where you find your serious, long-term buyers.
Check out these numbers. On Meta, a whopping 75% of conversions come from paid promotions, not organic reach. But YouTube? That's your absolute engine for building long-term trust, ultimate authority, and driving highly qualified organic sales.
Let's break this funnel down step by step. Content awareness hits your website, triggers an autocall, and then delivery.
The real growth hack? Upselling. Offer special discounts right during that confirmation call to boost your average order value.
You spend money to acquire a buyer, right? In business terms, we call this CAC, customer acquisition cost.
Building organic content lowers that CAC. Why? Because you can super cheaply retarget viewers who already engage with you.
Quick question for you. Does entering a price war actually win you long-term customers? Think about it a second.
Nope. Bigger brands will always crush you on price. You literally have to win by offering better customer experience.
Here's the secret. The first sale brings attention, but that crucial second, word-of-mouth sale is what truly builds your brand.
To wrap up, here's your winning formula. Be clear in messaging, creative in content, and absolutely consistent in posting. I'll leave you with this. Are you just blindly chasing views or actually solving your customers' real, tangible problems?